How to cancel or change Spotify premium subscription. Quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to cancel your Spotify premium subscription, or if you want to change it to some other plan. It's really easy to do. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you can open up Spotify on your laptop PC, or you can also open it up on your mobile phone. The process is going to be similar. So first of all, once you get to Spotify, you will be able to see your current plan right here. And if you want to get premium, then you will click on this option. So you will get your current plan right here, and you just have to click on your plan. After that, it will take you right here, your plan, and you can see it's showing you the plan that you have selected, which is premium. If you want to change your plan, you can click on the change plan option, and it will show you the different plans available on Spotify. We have 1 month free individual plan, which is $9.99 per month. Then we have 1 month free for duo, which is going to be $12.99 per month, which offers 2 accounts. Then we have a family, which is $15.99 per month, and it offers 6 accounts. And then we have a student, which is $4.99 per month. So if you want to change from an individual to maybe student or to duo or family, you will just click on get started. Or to cancel your plan, you will get the option right here. You can see right here, if I scroll down with my payment details, I will get the option of cancel subscription. Click on cancel subscription and you will be able to cancel your Spotify subscription completely. Even if I show you with support.spotify.com, you can see login into your spotify.com/account. Under your plan, click change plan. Scroll to cancel Spotify and click cancel premium. This way you will be able to cancel it, but your premium stays until your next billing date. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.